Hello fixers and welcome. Today we're going to do a special treat, the Figoin fig. It's a pretty popular variety. It's a tiny, tiny little fig. They start out small, and when they ripen, this one's almost ripe, they don't get a whole lot bigger. They're about this, just a little bit bigger than a nickel. I got this variety from Bass. It's been pretty popular in the last couple years, but the special treat I have for you today is that I've actually got two figs ripened. And as you know, one in a blue and one in a green bag. The blue bag is caprified, the green bag is not. So we'll do a head-to-head caprified versus non-caprified figween, which should have an interesting result in a couple minutes. Okay, and here we are with our two figweens that we just picked. This is the one in the blue bag. This is the one that should be caprified. I did caprify it, so hopefully it took. And it looks like it did, because when you're going to compare the two figs, here's the non-caprified one. You can see the caprified is larger. It's deeper green. It's basically like a different fig. So let's weigh them, cut them open, and taste them. So the uncaprified on the scale is about 9 grams. It's a tiny, tiny little fig, closed eye. The caprified is going to be a little bit bigger, 14 grams, so like 1.5 times the size. So let's cut them in half and compare the interiors. Here you've got uncaprified figween. And here's caprified. And you've got a day and night difference over here. Let me get that into the sunlight so you can see it. You can see that the caprified one is just a deeper cherry red. It's bigger. You can see the seeds in it. It's a different animal. So let's go for the tasting. Uncaprified. Figgy, slightly sweet, no seed crunch. I'd probably give that a 6 or a 7. Let's go for the caprified. Day and night. Wow. This fig is acidic. It's got like a strawberry cherry flavor. It's got a sweetness, a tartness. It is just like, it's like putting salt on your meat before you eat it. It's just so much more depth. That's a 10, a 9 or a 10 easily. So it's not a bad fig when it's not caprified, but it's just a very, very different fig, and it's a lot tastier when it's caprified. So if you got the ability, or when you're in California, huge difference over here in this one. I'd highly recommend that you go ahead and eat the caprified ones and try to caprify them. If you don't have it, if you don't have the wasp, you don't have a male fig that you can caprify, it's still not a bad fig, more of a novelty, I'd say. It's just a huge difference. So that's it for me for this time on the figween, and happy figging, everyone. I'll see you next time.